Hello everyone. Today we are not going to solve any maths. Today we are going to do a fun activity. Actually, I am going to tell you a story and you have to listen through it, and we will learn about division facts in a fun way. So now let us start our activity with 4 people. Now you will say, ma'am, where are 4 people? Here are only 4 balls we can see. Yes, definitely. Here there are 4 balls. 1 black big ball and 3 small yellow, blue and red balls. Now we will assume that these 4 balls are 4 people. Actually 4 students like you. So the bigger one, its name is Sunil. The yellow one, his name is Amit. The blue one, his name is Sumit, and the red one, his name is Rohit. So with Sunil, Amit, Sumit and Rohit, with them, let us start our activity. And what is our activity on today? We will learn about division facts. So let's begin. Now look here in this picture. As I told you, we will learn about division facts. But students, as we normally say, in order to do division, you first have to learn about the tables. Now, tables means multiplication. Look here. In this picture, it is said there are 3 rows with 4 balls each. How many rows are there? 3 rows. In each row, how many balls are there? You can see various colored balls. You can see green balls. You can see brown balls. You can see yellow balls. You can see black balls. So, in every row, count how many balls are there. In first row, 1, 2, 3, 4. In second row, 1, 2, 3, 4 again. In the third row, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, in every row, there are 4 balls and there are how many rows? There are 1, 2, 3 rows. So, if I ask you, how many total number of balls are there? We have learnt in multiplication. What do? We will multiply. And what we will multiply? We will multiply 4 multiplied by 3, that is 12. So, Sunil has how many balls with him? Sunil has 12 balls with him. Now, since Sunil is the elder brother, he wants to distribute these 12 balls among his 3 brothers so that they can play among themselves. So, if Sunil wants to distribute these balls equally among all 3 brothers, that is Amit, Rohit and Sumit, now we have to see how many balls each does each of the brother gets to play. Right? So, now let us move on and see how many balls each they get. Here, students, look very nicely. We are going to discuss on division facts, okay? Now look here carefully. What did we just see? That Sunil had 12 balls and he wanted to distribute that among his 3 brothers, Amit, Sumit and Rohit. So if 12 is distributed equally, now this is what you have to pay attention. Distributed and distributed equally. There is a difference in both the phrases. Distributing means each student or each person might have different number of balls here. But if it is said distributed equally, that means each of Sunil's brother will have same number of balls. So students, now you are growing up. So this is what you really have to pay attention in the words, how the things are said, how the problems are written. You have to learn and read them and understand. So here it is said Sunil will equally distribute. Equally distribute means 12 will be distributed equally among 3 of them. That means each of his brother will get same number of balls. So since he had 12, 12 will be distributed among 3. Now let us count. If we keep on distributing 12 balls, look here. First, each one is getting 1 ball. Again, each one is getting second 2 balls, then 3, then 4. There are 4 rows and each row has 4 balls. That means 12 divided by 3. So 12 balls is divided among 3 of them. That is 12 divided by 3 equal to 4. Just now what did we see? There were 3 rows and 4 balls each. 3 fours are 12. Now 12 is divided in by 3. That is 4. Now here, look here. What it is said in this picture. Sunil, in the last picture we saw Sunil distributed the ball among his brothers. So his brothers were playing. Now Sunil also joined the game. So when Sunil has joined the game, he cannot play without the balls. Now what will happen? The balls are already distributed among his 3 brothers. So now they will redistribute. Redistribute means they will again distribute the balls equally now among 4 people. Previously they distributed among 3. Now they will distribute it among 4. Again I am saying equal distribution means now 4 of them will have same number of balls. Now if there are 4 people and 1 ball, if they are distributing 12 balls, then how many balls will each of them get? Let us see here. Look here. Previously they were getting 4 each. Now since 12 is divided by 4, each will get 3 balls. Now this is what you have to look here. You know, in the very first diagram we saw that 3 rows and there were 4 balls each. So there were 12 balls. In the last picture we saw that Sunil divided the balls among his 3 brothers. So we divided the number of balls by 3. So each were getting 4. Now in this picture, since when Sunil joined them, look here, when Sunil joined them, number of persons increased by 1. So 3 plus 1 equal to 4. Now 12 balls is divided in between 4 of them. That is why we are dividing 12 by 4. And when we divide 12 by 4, what we get as an answer? We get 3. So, each will have 4 balls to play with. Till here, everything is clear, right? All that we have done and all that we have seen here. So, now let us move on. Now here, in this part, we will learn about the concept of division facts. Look here, there are 2 images. The first one where Sunil divided 12 balls among his 3 brothers, and the second image where Sunil joined his 3 brothers, that is 4 of them are playing with the 12 set of balls which are divided equally among 4 of them. Look here, in the first image, as we have found out that 12 when divided among 3 gives 4. That is when 12 balls divided among 3 of them, each are getting 4 balls. Now when 12 is divided among 4, each are getting 3 balls. Now the concept of division fact. What is division fact? Before knowing division fact, we have to know. Look here, first time when 12 is divided by 3, the answer is 4. Now pay attention. In 3's table or in 4's table, when you multiply 3 by 4 or in 4's table, when you multiply 4 by 3, what answer you get? You get 12, right? So this is what we have to understand. So 12 when divided by 3 gives 4 as an answer. Similarly, if we replace 3 by 4, that is 12 divided by 4, it will give 3 as an answer. And before the and, one more thing is 3 multiplied by 4 is 12. So this is the concept of division facts. Suppose, let me give you one more example. Suppose 6 2s are 12, right? So when 12 is divided by 6, what will be the answer? 2 will be the answer. And when 12 is divided by 2, what will be the answer? 6 will be the answer. So this is the concept of division fact. That when you multiply two numbers and get another number, when you divide the answer by any of the multiplied number, you will get the other number as the answer. So this was our activity on division fact. I hope all of you have enjoyed. Now what we will do is, we all have small marbles or ping pong balls in our house. Distribute among your brothers, sisters or your family members and do the same activity. And let me know in the comment section. Okay? Go through the video, go through the other videos, learn division. Please revise your tables nicely. Without tables, we cannot learn multiplication or division. So go through your tables nicely. Till then, take care. Bye bye.